Hello my beauties out there, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, welcome. My name is Bree and I am just a crazy lover of all things beauty, and I like to post a lot of fun and colorful makeup content. So if those are things you like to watch, please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. But in today's video, I'm going to be playing with the new Silent Night palette from Glaminatrix, and I'm going to create a very holiday, very festive, very Christmassy kind of look today, because I am posting this on Christmas and I am just ready to get into that holiday spirit. So if you guys are interested in seeing me create a look with this, do some swatches, and let you know my thoughts on this palette, then keep on watching. Alright guys, do you see me? I got my green sweater on. I have my Santa earrings because it is about to go down in my Christmas DMs. No, it's not. Nothing's going down in my DMs. But I just can't wait to play with this. I love a good old holiday themed kind of palette, a Christmassy kind of themed palette. I'm all for it. And this is from Glaminatrix, which is an amazing indie brand based out of Australia. They make the best eyeshadows, shimmers, metallics, mattes, and this one right here retails for $46. The last time I checked, it was still available. I'm not sure if by the time this video goes up it's still available on their website, but hopefully it is, because I don't think they're going to restock this because it's just for the holiday season. But I'll show you guys up close the packaging. It's cute cardboard packaging, the little like Christmas tree with the little ornaments. Very cute. And then the back looks like this. And you guys look at this. Bam! Do you see that? So freaking festive and cute and beautiful. It's a cute little color story. And the shades in here look so beautiful. Now this is kind of pricey for a smaller palette to be in that $46 range. But the quality of the shadows are so freaking stunning and amazing, and the metallics are beautiful and sparkly. There's a dual chrome in here. The shade is super sparkly. It has kind of a transparent base to it, and then these two are just so creamy, like really traditional creamy metallics. And the mattes are very pigmented from what I can see. I did the swatches before I filmed this, and overall I've had such an amazing experience with Glaminatrix palettes and their quality and everything, so I have no doubt that this is going to be really, really good. So I think it'd be a good time to now zoom you guys in, create a look, and then wrap up this video. So that you guys zoomed in, I did prime my eyes with the Give Me Glow primer. I'm still testing it out. I did use it in my video with the Bad Witch Club palette. If you didn't check out that video, I'll link it below. I think that's coming up before this one. So let's get into it. I'm just going to do the whole traditional green and red look today. I wish I could do two looks in this video, but I just don't have the time. So I'm going to go into stocking this deeper red shade and use that throughout the crease. This is my like transition shade. I'm just gonna like really pack that on first. I like deep mattes, like deep colorful mattes work best by packing first and then blending out the edges. Overall, from my experience with Glaminatrix, their mattes are very, you know, pigmented, but they're also blendable at the same time. But I mean, look at that pigmentation. Just so stunning. So now I'm going to clean off my brush, and I'm going to go into mistletoe in the outer corner and use that to deepen, and I'm going to bring it in a little bit. So I want the green to show. And I'm just going to really bring that up. Concentrate it right on the outer corner. Just mix these two together. Those two shades fuse so well together. This look is getting so dark. But this palette is leaning overall, you know, on the darker side. There's not really any real light mattes besides this gingerbread shade, which I'm actually going to take and use that to blend out the edge of the red up here and add just a little bit of warmth to the look. Just right on the edge. I love using like a warmer kind of shade over the edge of my transition if I just want to add a little bit of warmth to the look. So I'm just going to do that with this just to blend out the edges. I went and did my lower lash line off camera just so we could get through this video quickly. I did put the burgundy shade in the inner corner, the green in the outer corner. I used the gingerbread shade to blend out the edges. And I did put on some glitter primer. It's the Give Me Glow glitter primer because I'm also testing that out some more. And now we're going to get into the metallics, my favorite part, the part I'm excited for. So I think I want to go in with Jingle Bells. I feel like that would really work on the lid. It's a beautiful kind of like champagne-y taupey shade. And I'm going to just lay that all over where I put the glitter primer. Alright, that is a beautiful like champagne-y shade. I feel like it's so creamy that I was having a hard time picking up on the brush and like spreading on. So I just, dabbed over with my finger. I feel like that's the best application with this metallic. I'm going to go over the edge with the green mistletoe shade just to kind of blend it a little bit. So I do want to maybe tap a little bit of Fire Lights just to add a little extra sparkle. I feel like I just want to do that right in the center and just make it really sparkly right there in the center. So now I'm going to go in with, I think, Babbles in the inner corner. It's like a blue to violet shift shade. It's a dual chrome. I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like that's going to work. I'm going to pick it up on a pencil brush, but I don't want to wet it because I feel like the shade is on the flaky side, and I want to do that just to kind of avoid fallout. Ooh, look at that. I had to use this shade. I just could not do a look without touching that beautiful dual chrome. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's stunning. It's so shifty. I don't know if it's really picking up on camera, but it's beautiful. I think this is so beautiful. So I think I'm going to go and do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then I will be right back. Okay, I am back. Here's the completed look, and of course I had to finish this look off with a red lippy. It is that time of the year to bust out your red lipstick, so I am loving the combo. It feels very Christmassy. I feel very holiday, festive, and I am all here for it. I am loving it, but I did go in with the Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle Lippy and Madame. It's a very like traditional blue toned red. That's the kind of red that I love. I think it goes best with my skin tone. And then for my waterline, I'm wearing this liner from Urban Decay. It's in the shade Space Dust. I don't think they have this shade anymore. I got it from a holiday set a long time ago, but it's a very like shimmery, light, champagne-y, goldy shade. I just wanted to keep it bright and metallic. And then for my lashes, I have the Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I did tight line with the Nabla Cupid's Arrow in the black shade. And I think that's pretty much all I did off camera. I hope you guys liked how this look turned out. I think this palette is absolutely stunning. So now I'm going to zoom you guys out and give you my final thoughts and wrap up this video. Alright loves, I feel so good in this look. I love how it turned out, and the shadows are beautiful, super high quality. The metallics are so creamy and sparkly and stunning. I feel like these do the best with your finger. They don't pick up that well on the brush, but when you just go over with your finger, they're just absolutely stunning. And I think the mattes are pigmented, they're blendable, they laid on top of each other really nicely. And I just think this is such a beautiful color story for this time of year. I think Glaminatrix really nailed it with this palette, packaging, color choices, everything, the formula. I'm very happy with this. I'm so happy I got my hands on this and was able to get a chance to create a fun festive look. But you guys will have to let me know in the comments comments below what you thought of the look that I created, what you think of Glaminatrix, and just how your holiday season is going. What are you doing? What are you up to? What is your like holiday traditions? I would love to hear from all of y'all. And if you're new here and you enjoy fun, colorful makeup content, then please hit that subscribe button and join this little family. I'd love to have you here. Also, don't forget to check out the description below. I will have the palette linked if it's still available when this video goes up. I will also link the other makeup that I'm wearing, other videos of mine you might be interested in watching, as well as my other social media platforms. I'm also on Instagram as Breezy Lifestyle and Breezy_beauty, and I'm also on TikTok as Breezy_beauty. So I would love for you to check out my other social medias. But anyways, guys, that was everything. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, for supporting my channel, for hanging out with me for a bit. I really appreciate it. And I just hope you're having a wonderful holiday season if you do celebrate any holidays. And if you don't, I hope you're having a wonderful day and wonderful week. But I'm just sending you guys so much love and light. But until next time, bye guys.